There's anteaters everywhere. This is not the only spot I see that they say. Yeah, there's another spot we walked through that had anteaters. I didn't see it there either. It's too hot. They're probably chilling somewhere. I guess.
Dad. We're here.
The bamboo is gorgeous. That's one of my favorite things I've seen here so far. The giant shoots of it. Imagine seeing forests of that stuff.
Inside the park you go to Rainforest Cafe.
So we have to go that way.
Yep.
Okay. See ya. Pictures.
We got time.
I know, I'm just joking.
Thank you.
Wait. Damn it, never mind. Yeah. Hold. No, there it is. It's because the stupid cop was on the way. There. He's just taking your picture.
Yeah.
See, like, oh look, there's Kristin taking pictures.
It's not. Yes, we are. Okay.
You were technically leaving the park, so when you come back, it's a standard ticket to get for re-entry, okay?
This is our last stop of the night.
Fine, enjoy them.
Bye.
Bye.
The shop we go.
There's some really nice shirts over there, and the prices are crazy good. The Hawaiian shirts are like 28 bucks, 30 bucks. And they're nice, like really nice. Oh, this is crazy.
Manny,
Yeah,
see them funny chairs?
that's awesome. I like the whole bar with the water.
Yeah.
This is so amazing. Lauren, you gonna sit in Robo Duck? Oh, it's a duck. It's not a Robo Duck. The poor dog. I am. I'm getting you and the chairs, silly. Everybody turn your heads over your shoulders. There you go.
Rainforest Cafe, welcome back, Grace. Car 86, please reapproach the Republic.
Kristin, I gotta get a fancy drink.
Yeah, I think so too. Wow, this is amazing. It looks so beautiful.
Looking.
Okay, we got 9 minutes.
That's fine.
Yeah, no, I'm just... So we're here at the Rainforest Cafe, and you took pictures, right?
Yeah.
Like actual... Okay, yes. So I wasn't sure if the Animal Kingdom Park would have the chairs, but they have the chairs. Manny just took her pictures with me, Dad, and Lauren. So we're sitting at the bar until we get called in like 9 minutes.
Of course, we're celebrating. My daughter just got
I just got
engaged.
engaged! Congratulations, it's gorgeous! Thank you! And my birthday! And his retirement! That's a big celebration! And his first time! First time at Disney? Yes!
Yeah. Yeah.
Mine too! We had a lovely chat with Victoria, our
Wow, there's a lot of
bartender.
drinking options here.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
to get a blue drink. This is from our table.
Wow, this is crazy.
Yeah. So the prices on here still count.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
So I'm glad you're here. At this restaurant, today is our slowest day ever.
No way.
And look at these people.
Yeah.
Usually, if you want to come in here, very hard to get the table and seat.
That's why we did the reservation.
Everybody did the reservation.
Yeah.
But still, oh my goodness.
Wow.
Are you in?
Yes, we're using our table service.
Service. Yeah.
How many rooms you have?
2 rooms. So on his and mine.
cheaper and they're nice looking, really nice.
Yeah. I said, how impressed?
Super impressed.
Yeah.
Blue. Funky blue.
How is it, Lauren? Yes, I know it's blue. Is it good?
It's a wheat beer. Aha. That's why it tastes so good.
Is it good, Lauren? Yes. Okay.
Dude, you want to try this? This is really
Let him
good.
try what?
His drink.
This beer is Funky Buddha.
Hold on a second. How come I got what's that triangle on top? It means I got nothing?
Roman. It just means Roman.
All right. Yes. Let me one, please.
New happy couple. Congratulations. All the best to you.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
proud. I'm happy.
Thank you.
You made me proud.
Good. That's good. Thank you. Good. Oh, you too, Lauren. There you go.
All right, now we go to the bathroom.
Now we can go.
Ooh, that's good.
Not tasty.
It is. It is. Damn, that hits the spot.
And this is for the bathroom. Bathroom's also themed. Look at that. Look at that door. I'm videoing the bathroom. Look at it. It's so pretty. Isn't it? Yes.
That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, right over there would be sick. Well, the food does smell good. What? Look at this. Bring craziest restaurant. Oh, there's even a waterfall up there. Hey.
Look, I got a sheep.
Where'd you go to?
Hey, that's the relations, but he said go up and go to the left. But I think I went too far because I literally had to go a short left. And guest relations was there. Oh,
I just want some Tabasco.
hey, where about that from? Hey.
All done. Except her.
I was running around trying to get a pig for us.
We still have some amazing places to go eat too, right?
Well, I can't finish that steak if I want to have some of my dessert. After dessert. Well, after we go shopping, because we're going to go shopping.
Yeah.
We have your bracelet. Okay? For her.
Ooh, look at that. Look.
Whoa.
That's pretty good, Lauren.
Oh, it's okay. I'll give you another spoon. It's okay. She took one.
Okay. Not here. Well, this may be them.
That's a nice slice of cheese.
Can I have some? I want some of that.
It's a nice hunk of cheesecake you got there.
I know, I see that.
Stop it.
I don't know if I can eat it on one stuff.
Now wait till you see what we got.
Yeah.
Jesus. We're still making it back there.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Lauren.
Looks good though. The food so far has been very impressive.
Yeah.
The least impressive food that I've had so far was at the African place yesterday, but even still, it was still good.
Yeah.
The atmosphere was dead on though. It was so awesome in
Yeah.
that African place yesterday.
Yeah.
And the dessert was really good. Banana bread pudding.
Yeah.
Happy celebration from all of us to you. We mix something special. We made it just for you. We hope you had a super fun and terrific day. So happy celebration for Rainforest Cafe. Hey!
Happy celebration! The wind blew.
Yeah.
No. Good job. Huh, here. I make it 2, right?
Yes.
And we say 1, 2, 3. You both at the same time, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3.
She had to get the cherry out.
You want it?
Oh, for Dad.
Thank you. Thank you, Lauren.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy. I love it.
Okay, let's see what they got here.
They got quite a few nice things. Yeah, I saw those. They're nice. The blue one's really nice, and so's the orange one. They're both really nice. I don't know.
I'm having fun.
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Why? I went around the other way. I thought she was gonna follow me, and I was gonna get the bongo again and play it, but she caught me right there. She outsmarted me.
Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Ooh, careful.
Oh, you stinker. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. No big deal.
Are you enjoying your vacation?
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
The lady's asking for you. Yes,
Oh.
I'm having a great time. I know, I'm making all that noise. What? What about my shirt?
It's a palm tree.
Oh, the palm tree? Okay. Oh my gosh. Tired. Tired? Yeah.
Did you have fun at Disney World?
Oh yeah, we're having fun.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Frank Safari.
Thank Channel 11. That's the TV guy that shows everything. Okay, guys. Is 11:10. And we're gonna go back in bed. Oh, tonight was good. And dinner was good. And the dessert was good. We couldn't finish the dessert. Because this dessert is like a 4-person dessert, but the lady brought it to us for like two.
Oh, it was 4 slices of that brownie
3.
cake. No, 4. Yeah, they made it come up because that's how it's for 4 people.
Oh, okay. Okay, alright.
Together to make that pyramid type thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Yeah. Yeah, so and I think I had like 6 pieces left of the steak. Turn it down, please. Like if I cut it up, like it would be left of my steak. But it was so good. I had a 10-ounce flat iron. It was really good. I like the Rainforest Cafe. It was great. Okay, kind of. Manny was saying it's very whimsical, and I agree, but I think it's like a simple whimsical. Like it's very simple, but it's got like whimsy in it. Very nice. And it comes with a matching wedding band, and then there's an anniversary band.
Oh, the anniversary band is just
The same thing.
Yeah, another copy of
Yeah, but still.
Scores on the other side.
Just still. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then we went shopping. I am the only one who bought anything because I liked this sweater. And I got a medium, and it should fit the way I want. What did you put on?
It's not what it sort of was. Maybe I'm off by a few channels.
It might be.
Maybe 63 instead of 65.
So yeah, I was just doing some organizing, and I'm trying to get this on because we got some free, well, kind of free pictures. The guy put on here. but I don't know how. It says it's supposed to put ID. I think maybe I have to put the square thing there in the picture. I'll try again. It said to try again later, because like I put in the code that's back here, like the 16-digit code, and it wasn't working apparently. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed sharing this day with us, and tomorrow we're going shopping, like dedicated shopping. And then we go to the Liberty Tavern, and we're going to be there for a little while. I've got 2 fast passes, and we're going to see the regular fireworks that they have at Magic Kingdom. Yes. Yeah, so tomorrow is going to be busy, and I'm hoping to get as much rides done as possible, because like I figured out the fast passing, and it just like we got like pretty much everything done at Animal Kingdom. Let me just check, because I have so many X marks in here. No, not that many. I have a lot I think I have a lot in the Hollywood Studios, but I got pretty much all that I want done. Like, I got the Bug's Life, both Pandora's, Stop Picking, the Lion King, the Safari, River Rapids, Everest, Nemo, Primeval World, Dinosaur. Triceratops spin was up in the air. Yeah, because like they're very there's 3 like pretty much identical rides, except for maybe like Astro Orbiter, just because I think it goes a little faster. Well, actually the seating is different, because it only seats 2 and like 1 in front of the other, whereas the other ones it seats like it's either a 2 or a 4, and they're beside each other at least, and they're slower. So we didn't need to go on it, because at least we try to do one at Magic Kingdom where there's like 3 of them there. But yeah, I'm very, very happy because I figured it out in Animal Kingdom. So yeah. I'm not that tired, but I'm a little tired. I'm getting there. My knees need to rest.
If I throw fucking the rest of that movie on there, you might fall asleep to the rest of that movie.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, because we gotta go to bed soon, because we're gonna get up again at 6:30 to go to Disney Springs, do shopping, and then leave at 4:30 to go to Magic Kingdom for a 5:45 dinner reservation. Well, we might leave a little later.
Magic Kingdom? Where are we eating at Magic Kingdom tomorrow?
Liberty Tree Tavern.
That's one of the ones we looked at, right?
Yes.
It was really good looking.
It's family style buffet. Mm-hmm. So they bring you like a big plate of, it's like going to Sunday dinner kind of.
Yeah, you know what? I'm okay.
Yeah.
Already good.
Yeah, and it's a lot. It's like there's steak. There's like it's some similar like a turkey dinner sort.
Most of the food we've been eating has been out of this world.
Yeah.
Like I said, the only place that wasn't as mind-blowingly as amazing as all the rest we've been eating so far
was Africa.
Was
the African buffet.
It was good.
Yes.
But it wasn't like when you compare it to Coupe de Dieu or the what's the other one we went to next year, the diner one. That diner one's my favorite.
Oh, the Hollywood and Vine.
Yeah, the food there was my favorite so far, just because of those braised ribs.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Those things were out of this world, braised ribs.
Yeah.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah.
The laptop in the computer in here.
Yeah. But yeah. Mandy's going to try and put on Netflix. Like he's going to plug it into the TV. And we're going to watch Next Gen. At least try.
Can you press the source? Or I can do it.
There's no source on here.
I'll do it.
That's how you did it before. You have to touch the TV. Yeah, so. Anyway, I gotta let my knees rest. Come here. Come Come here quick. I'm ending it. Come here. Come here. I'm ending it. Good night. Alright, so good night everyone. Yes. But good night. We're very happy. And he's gonna be wearing a pin from now on because I got happily ever after just engaged pin. Alright, good night.